In this video, I'll be showing you how to make playlist on YouTube. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your YouTube application. Now, bear in mind, you can do this on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. Now, by default, it's going to look something like this. Let's say I want to make a playlist of a few videos. Maybe I want to watch them later. All I want to do is press three little dots on whatever I want to watch, and I'm going to see save to playlist as one of the options. But click on that, and if you don't have a playlist or you want to make a new one, on the bottom press new playlist like so, and then you can label it whatever you want. So I'm just going to say test. You can keep it private, or you can have it unlisted, which means anyone with a link can view, or you can have it public, which means anyone can view. And if you want to collaborate with another channel, you could also do that as well. And so if you want like you and someone else to basically make a playlist together, you could go ahead and do that like so, but you would just have to make it unlisted. And then all you're going to do is press create, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.